Orem, third grade basketball. 14:46 left in the game. Timeout on the floor. Orem in the black uniforms. Score is 10-11. Orem 20.
What?
We're winning, right?
What?
We're winning. Yeah. Birds. I'll bet your life.
Preference group decided that they don't want to do corsages anymore, so they think it's a waste of money.
That's good.
Bless them.
Thank you. Yeah, $32 for it.
It is a waste of money. It's kind of cold and antiquated.
Well, it used to be a lot cheaper too.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a big deal when they were $5 or whatever.
Prom, okay. Like, preference?
Yeah, prom, like homecoming prom, I was like more.
They're going sledding for their dating.
Nice. Nice. Okay, Orem, third grade basketball. 14:46 left in the game. It's your man. I don't know if he yanked him. Number 5 gets the rebound. Orem. The ball gets stolen for number 25 for the Birds.
Go, Dax, keep running.
Rebound! Hands up!
Lewis, what do you have?
Ball knocked out of bounds off the Birds with 14:26 left in the game. The Orem ball. Birds 11, Orem 20. Number 7, Jones with the bucket. Birds 11, Orem 22. Don't let him buy the basket, Dax. Get back. Nah, he let him right by you. Ball goes out of bounds off the Birds with 13:22 left in the game. Birds 11, Orem 22. Got his shoes on.
Yes, we did.
Thank you.
He doesn't have to put a shoe on. My son, you just have to pull it on yourself.
Yeah, just gotta loosen the laces.
He was sitting on the ground and couldn't figure it out. I'm like, no, you stand up and use your weight to slide it in.
Number 7, Jones with the shot. Can't get it to go. Number 15 gets the rebound for the Birds. Also Dax. Rebound. Yeah, he stepped out.
That's for them.
Number 15 steps out of bounds for the Birds with the ball. It'll be 12:28 left in the game. It's Birds 11, Orem 22. That's a Jones for the shot. Shoot it! Shoot it! Ooh. Dax Coy with the shot. Can't get to go. Ball goes out of bounds off of Orem with 12 minutes left in the game. Birds 11, Orem 22. He almost got it to go. Get back. It's like half court pressing it. 11, Dax. Orem gets the loose ball. Ball gets stolen by number 30 of the Birds. Get back, get back!
11.
Rebound! Number 7 gets the rebound for the Birds. It's another rebound of his own shot.
There you go.
Emery knocks the ball loose, but the tippy gathers it.
Grab it.
Peter gets the rebound for
Don't have it pass
Orem.
it.
Go to the hoop, Dax!
Dax, go to the hoop.
And backcourt violation against Orem. 10:50 left in the game. Birds 11, Orem 22. Get down, get down, get down, hurry! Let's get hurry.
Hey, Lewis, you gotta stay on him until you switch again. Good, Peter. Stay on it, Peter.
Rebound! Shot goes up, and it's good for number 25 of the Birds. Birds 13, Orem 22. Puts up the shot, it's good. Emery with the bucket. Birds 13, Orem 24.
Hey, back up. Find the 3-1 line. Back up.
Find your guy, Dax.
11.
Like, I got an eye on him. That's good.
I see him.
You can see him. I can see him, but I'm in the stands. Rebound! 15 gets the rebound. End of the shot with a block. There you go, Dax!
Good, Dax, pass it.
Pass it!
Pass it, Dax, pass it. Dax, pass it.
There we go.
Good.
Dax Coy with the rebound. Shot goes up. Can't get it to go. Jones, number 7. Number 15 for the Birds gets the rebound. And number 9, Lewis gets the steal for Orem. Ball's knocked out of bounds by Birds with 9 minutes left in the game. Birds 13, Orem 24. Orem makes some stuff.
Was he also running back at BYU?
He was a running back at Utah originally, and then he actually moved to DN. He played DN at BYU.
When you were there?
He was done playing. He played a long time ago at Utah when I was at Utah, yeah.
He was with you.
Yes, at Utah.
That's why I think he's a running back.
Yeah, he was running back in high school, being in high school.
What high school did you go to?
Being
I'm
yeah.
like, that name sounds
Yeah, when they were really good, way back in like 2009 or whatever. Yeah, he played in the NFL, but he must have just hired.
Zion or what?
He must have just got hired.
Grab it, Dax.
Pass it! Pass it!
Pass it, pass it. Pass.
There you go.
There you go. Good pass.
Oop. Back on D. Turns it over. Rebound. 99. Emery gets the rebound for Orem. That's good. Go to the basket, Dax. Go to the basket. Get to the block. Good pass. Rebound. Grab it, Dax. I was out of bounds off a tip view with 7:20 left in the game. Birds 13, Orem 24. What's that?
You don't need to tell the coach that they're not coming. Grab it.
Oh, so people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, just don't come, dude. It's off season.
It's off season. They're not taking.
And if you're gonna tell them, send a direct message, dude. Like, it's not that hard. Emery gets the loose ball. Throw the hoop, Dax. Rebound. Shot almost goes. But, that's blue ball. Black ball. He got the wrong call. He called it that way. The refs disagreed. I agreed with this ref.
I agree with the other.
You did? Really? Yeah, you're wrong.
I think they could take
You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.
I saw us touch it last.
You saw wrong. And number 7 makes the bucket for the Birds. Birds 15, Orem 24 with 6:11 left in the game. Yeah. This is Orem 3rd grade basketball here at Mountain View High School in Orem, Utah. Dax Coy, number 4, in the blue jersey. Context help. I'm annoying? Oh, they're annoying? I'm annoying too. Tyus got mad at me today in basketball because he got fouled and he got fouled and then he's like foul, like not by me but by somebody else, and I'm like, he got mad. I was just teasing. Look at the show. Look at the foul. I'm like, I know you got fouled, dude. I'm just joking. Shit. Like, but he was, yeah, he was like, because he was, you know, he was
testosterone flying everywhere.
I think the guy kind of fouled him hard, so he was a little bit kind of irritated. Yeah.
Like that one dude that broke your son.
Yeah.
Does he still play?
The finger guy? Yeah, he's on my team today. We actually won almost. We won every game today, I think. I broke my finger.
Be on that guy's team, not against.
Yeah, he's kind of. Like my joke.
What?
He didn't like my joke. Orem 3rd grade basketball. 6 minutes and 11 seconds left in the game. Orem's ball in the black uniforms. Score is Birds 15, Orem 24. The Orem ball. Go to the basket, Dax. Stay by the basket. I've told him like 100 times. I'm like, work block to block, block to block. Stay by the basket. Right there. Shoot it! Shoot it! Dax Coy shot attempt no good. Number 30 gets the rebound. Almost. Yeah, gets the rebound. No.
Kids don't make most of their
So
shots.
if you stay by the basket, you get the rebound.
Kids don't make most of their shots.
Yeah. If you're way away from the basket, you never get rebounds. Stay with him. Stay with him. Rebound. Number 15 gets rebound for the Birds. Number 5, everybody grabs the board for the top for Orem. Pushes it to the court. Puts up a shot. Can't get the fall. Number 7 gets the rebound for the Birds.
Play defense. Play defense.
15 pulls up the shot. No good. Number 25 gets the rebound for the Birds. Puts up a shot. Number 11 gets the rebound. Dax Coy with the shot block. Number 3, Peter gets the loose ball. Number 99 for the bucket. No. Number 5 is different 5. There's another 5. There's not a 4th grader. Not here today. Yeah. Shot goes up, no good. Score is Birds 15, Orem 26. Go to the basket. What's that? Yeah, but we're playing a 3rd grade team this time. Because last time we were playing a 4th grade team. That's why they let the 4th graders play with us.
So he comes when there's a 4th grade team.
When there's a 4th grade team we're playing, yeah.
That's why he's not always.
Yeah. Get down low. And the ball, rebound. Ball goes out of bounds off of Orem with 3:24 left in the game. Birds 15, Orem 26.
He ran a lot.
That's good. He's been running. Working hard.
Good job. Good to run hard. Guys, bottom me out, run now. Good, stay on him, Asher, stay on him. Good, Asher.
Called your dad today about his plane tickets.
Good job, Asher.
To fly out from Texas to, Cali and back. And I'm like, when is Nash's birthday? He's like,
Stay on him, help, jump, help.
Gotta figure that out.
he's like, I'm like, I know it's in May. He's like, I know it's in May too.
Okay, you gotta figure that out.
Thankfully, Rhonda made that list because he gave a guess and it was wrong.
What is it?
He guessed the 23rd or 22nd.
22nd. It's only a day off.
Yeah, I trust Rhonda.
But a day late's worse than a day early.
I trust Rhonda's list more than your dad's guess.
Yeah.
So I put that on his ticket. I had it written on the calendar too, but I'm pretty sure I got it from Rhonda's list.
Right. Yeah.
I think I copied everybody's. I made sure I had everybody's birthdays on the calendar.
Yeah.
Rhonda made that list.
Shots no good. The Orem ball with 2 minutes remaining in the game. Birds 15, Orem 26.
Let's go. Asher, you okay? He's up. Let's go. Hustle up.
Let's go up. Lost there. Jump ball called with 1:23 remaining in the game. The Orem's ball inbound from their baseline. Birds 15, Orem 26. Number 7 knocks the ball out of bounds for the Birds. It'll be Orem ball with 1:09 remaining in the game. Birds 15, Orem 6, or 26, sorry, Orem 26. Lewis with the shot, can't get the go with the number 5. Asher gets the rebound. Number 99, Emery puts up the bucket, it's good. Birds 15, Orem 28. Timeout with 45 seconds left in the game. This is Orem 3rd grade basketball here at Mountain View High School in Orem, Utah. What time is that? 44. Right on.
I would rather stream it. Like, let's stream my TV.
Oh, yeah.
It's not like it's general conference and the profits there. Like, let's just watch it.
Yeah. It's cool to go in person every once in a while, but not a big deal to stream it.
What?
It's cool to go in person every once in a while, but it's not a big deal to stream it either. Definitely less of a expanse,
You don't have to shuttle kids. You
Yeah.
don't have to
Yeah.
park and drive back. Get them from, like, just come to the
His shirt. His shirt. Jesus loves you, bro.
What?
His shirt says, Jesus loves you, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Orem, 3rd grade basketball. 45 seconds left in the game. Orem's up by 13. Score is Birds 15, Orem 28. Orem's in the black uniforms, Birds in the orange uniforms. It'll be Birds ball at the time. What's that?
Yeah, he told Tammy and Max that they have to, like, move out. And they're like, this is time. We're supposed to go back to Orem.
Yeah. Tell them, come up here.
Tammy wants to, because her best friend is Izzy.
Yeah.
And so she wants to get, and she wants to go to Orem High. And Max, all he talks about is wanting to go to Orem High.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, shit. Come on.
and he's
Especially if I was going to move up here.
trying to figure out work.
You got Rory up here.
She's like, that house next to you is empty, right? And I'm like, yeah, I can call him, but, like, also, it's been empty for 5 years.
Yeah, but he might let us rent because he knows, that we're like,
Might-
hey, we've been renting the last
It's not that. It's been empty for 5 years. There's
it's-
crap wrong with
it's-
that house. Houses can't just sit. Like, I'm like, you might be able to swing a deal
Yeah.
on it, but I'm like, yeah, it's gonna need help. Houses can't just sit empty for that
It's
long.
not good.
Things go wrong.
right. Tenview 16, Orem 28.
Been there right before, so you don't know what long-term damage they did on top of it.
Number 7 puts up the shot. Jones can't get it to go. Ball stays in bounds. Tenview gets a rebound.
That's not the best place for her to move to, but
Next door.
yeah. Like, you can try.
You can see.
What she wants to. She's turning it around. And then she's like,
Battle in the game here at Mountain View High School in Orem, Utah. This is Orem third grade basketball. Final score: Birds 16, Orem 28. Orem gets the win. Number 4, Dax Coy in the blue jersey.
then she's like,